Guys, welcome back to OVG's classroom. So in previous video we are discussing about the NAND gate, what is the logic diagram, what is the truth table of the NAND gate. So NAND gate is if A and B are the input of the NAND gate, so we get y is equal to AB bar, or we can say that A bar plus B bar. So so why we can get the NAND gate as a universal gate? Because we are implementing all the basic gates using the NAND gate. So we are called as the NAND gate as a universal gate. So we are building this. So NAND gate as working as a NOT gate. So NOT gate. So A and B as a input. So if we NAND of this, so we get AB bar. So and this is work as a inverter or the NOT gate, or if we have having only one gate. So if we do this thing, so y is equal to A dot A bar, means we can say A bar. So this is working as a NOT gate. So this is the logical diagram. So second, NAND gate as AND gate. So NAND gate as a AND gate. So firstly two input NAND gate, so AB. So from this we can get y is equal to AB bar. If we again input these things with a NAND gate, so we get y is equal to AB bar tar whole bar. So bar cancel out, so y is equal to AB. So this is the logic diagram of the AND gate. So we are implementing this thing using NAND gate. So the number of gate required is 2 NAND gate is required. 2 NAND gate required. And for NOT gate, 1 NAND gate is required. And third, so NAND gate as OR gate. So if NAND gate as a OR gate, so this is very much important, then to work as a OR gate. So we are memorize this logical diagram in later also. So if we input a single way in the NAND gate, so we get y is equal to A bar, means we can say A bar, and B as a singly input to the NAND gate, so we get y is equal to B bar, so we get B bar. And again we combined these two as a NAND gate, so we get y is equal to A bar B bar tar whole bar. If we apply the De Morgan's law, what we can say, A bar double bar plus B tar মাথায় double bar, so bar cancel out, so A plus B we can get. So here NAND gate is working as a OR gate. So for this we are getting 3 NAND gate is required. 3 NAND gate is required. So for this type of thing, so it is memorized. If we get any function, and if we implement this thing as a AB or CD, AB plus CD format, so this is very much important. So if we get any function and if we consider this thing as a AB plus CD format, then the minimum number of NAND gate is required. NAND gate is required is 3. So if we consider this function as AB plus CD format, the minimum number of NAND gate is required is 3. So this is the basic we can implement this NAND gate as a NOR gate. We are implementing this NAND gate as a AND gate, and also we are implementing this NAND gate as a OR gate. So for this thing, NAND gate is called as universal gate. Thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye.